So I'm gonna create a dictionary and I'm gonna populate the dictionary pretty much, right? So we're gonna do if I not in D, say D and I we equal 1, right? Else go D and I plus
equals
equals 1, like that, right? Now we're gonna get the list. So we're gonna get list of list keys. I think so. It's gonna equal to list d dot keys. Yeah. So this thing is gonna give me the keys. Here we're gonna do another list. List the values. We equal list d dot items. I think that's the next one. I'm not sure.
I think it's values, not values.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now you got our keys and our values. Now we're gonna access the indexes and all that stuff for I in range of k. Let's call it range of k, right? So we can do it x amount of times. We're gonna get the maximum, which equal max of the list values, right? Once we get the maximum, we want the index. So we go position will equal to list of values dot index of maximum. Okay, we're getting no errors. We're still getting. We're going to line 14 and create a list. Call it and bracket. Okay, there we go. And then go back. And then so now we got the position. So we're gonna do ands dot append. We're gonna append list keys underscore keys at index position. So bracket position. There we go. And then we're gonna go to another line and we're gonna say list underscore values dot remove maximum. And then you're gonna do the same thing but with keys. List dot remove, but instead of maximum, you're gonna do list underscore keys position. Exactly. And then you're gonna at the end you're gonna return ends.
So you're confident.
You want to go? Go for it. I think I'm confident.
All right, YOLO.
You only live once. Let's go.
YOLO.
Oh man, I'm scared out, bro. What if I fail? Okay.
Good stuff, Jose.
Hey, thank you, bro. Thank you. But I thought about it. Like right there, I was like, what if we do this?